So class, you all have seen about parliamentary system of government. Then we also saw why did India adopt a parliamentary system of government, and also presidential system of government. Now we are going to see that what are some features, okay, about the presidential system of government. Okay, this system exists in countries such as United States of America, presidential system, which has only one president. I hope you all are getting it. Yes. So only president. So in a presidential government form of government, the legislature and executive, as we saw in our parliamentary system, how the legislature and executive are there. So here, legislature and executive, they are not directly dependent on each other. The houses of legislature and the president are directly elected by the people. President is also directly elected by the people, and houses of legislature are also directly elected by the people. Okay, what are we seeing here? Presidential system of government. Clear? So the president is the executive head and has lot of powers, including power to implement laws. Okay, the president is the executive head, okay, and has lot of powers, including power to implement laws. Here means as in parliamentary, okay, that we discuss and make the laws, okay, or according to the constitution written. But here president alone can implement the laws. In spite of such a structure, the legislature and the executive keep a check on each other. See, means in spite of all these things, the legislature and the executive keep check on each other. They have a watch. They look, means they check each other's work. This mutual control over each other can lead to a responsible government. Mutual control means they have that mutual understanding. They can understand each other's work. They understand each other's view. They understand each other's duty. Okay, and because of which the government which is formed, the presidential government which is formed, can be it's supposed to be the responsible government. Getting all of you? Okay. Apart from the parliamentary and presidential system of government, there are other forms of government system that are followed in. See, so we have saw that what is parliamentary system, what is presidential system. So apart from all this both, okay, the other government system that are followed in France, Switzerland, Germany, etc. Okay, means it is different form of government. Several countries, owing to the unique circumstances, have evolved different system of government. Means according to their adjustment, according whatever suits them, whatever law suits them, according to that, the system of government is changed. Okay, in different countries. Means different countries has the different system of government, whichever suits them. Have you all got it? Yes, class? Clear all of you? So just a quick revision. Just tell me, what have we seen? The legislature to make laws, executive to implement laws, judiciary to provide justice. Okay, legislature who makes laws are made. Executive who implement, means who ask the people to follow the laws. Judiciary to provide justice, means like judge and lawyers, we can say. Okay, So then we saw types of government system, parliamentary system and presidential system. Yes, parliamentary system and presidential system. Yes, parliamentary system of government, contribution of England. Characteristics of parliamentary system in India. See, parliamentary system of government. Then we saw the contribution of England. Okay. Then characteristics of parliamentary system in India. We saw that. Then responsible system of government. Non-confidence motion. Sorry. No confidence motion. Parliamentary in supreme. Then we saw why India adopted a parliamentary system. Okay, what are the reasons India adopted the parliamentary system? The development of parliamentary institutions started during the British rule in India. Then the British rulers governed India in accordance with this system. Indians were familiar with this system of government. The Constituent Assembly adopted this system after a thorough discussion. A few changes were made in the parliamentary system to suit the Indian situation. Okay, that's why India adopted the parliamentary system. Okay. Then we also saw the characteristics of presidential system of government. Okay. So this is all which we saw in this lesson. I hope you all have understood what is parliamentary system, what is presidential system. Yes, class. So in this chapter, we will study the structure, working. Sorry, in the next chapter, we will study the structure, working and role of the Indian Parliament in the next chapter. I think in 6th standard also you have learned about some things about all these things. Yes, 6th and 7th also. So in the next we will see the working and role of the Indian Parliament. Okay, class? Clear? Now, we will start with the exercise. Choose the correct option and rewrite the statement. Okay? So, here are some statements and you have to choose the correct option. Parliamentary system of government developed in. Parliamentary system of government developed in. What is the answer? Developed in England. Yes. Parliamentary system developed in England. Okay. Then in the presidential system, dash is the executive head. In the presidential system, dash is the executive head. It's very easy. I know you all know the answer. In the presidential system, dash is the executive head. The answer is president. Okay. So, do you all got the answer of question number 1? Please write the exercise in your notebooks with good handwriting and paying attention over there. Don't just write it down. Next question. Question 2. Complete the information in the following table. Okay. Complete the information in the following table. Question 2. So, first is serial number, next name of the institution, and next function. Okay. Will you able to write the function, class? Okay. I have given you. So, see. Legislature, What is the function of legislature? Making, amending and replacing of law. Laws are made as bills. Debates are made on the bills. Bills are approved as laws. Okay, legislature. Executive, implementation of laws made by parliament. Executive policies and discussions. And judiciary, oversee execution of law and settle disputes. Protecting the rights of the individual, adversary duties. Supports the existing political system. Okay, so if you want, you can write the answer in your own words also, no problem. Okay, in simple words also you can write the answer. Okay, in very, if you want this answer in small, you can write like this: legislature to make law, executive to implement laws, frame policies, and judiciary to provide justice. Okay, so with this is your question number